or you can enter your own profit. So let's say I want to enter my own profit. Let's say 70 cities. I'm not going with the one here. I'm going to go with 70 cities. So the total product become 300 cities. Yes. So once you share this product and you get customer to buy this product, any customer you get to buy this product, anyone that buys this product from you at 300 cities, you're going to make 70 cities free of charge. Hello there, welcome to my channel How to AI. Over here is Black Alpha. Today I'm going to show you how you can make 500, 600 or even 1000 cities online whilst you are asleep. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can make more money online for free. So, without wasting my time, let's show you how you can make your own money online for free. Okay, so today we are going to use an app called Tendo. Yes, Tendo. And this app is going to pay you let's say 500 to 1000 cities every month. If you do what I'm about to show you in this video and do it very well, you're going to make more sales and make more money on this app for free. Okay, so now let's head to the app. And okay, so this is the app. The app is called Tendo, and I'm going to leave the description in the I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Okay, so now before I start to teach you how you can make money online with this free app, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you comment, and you like this video. So now Tendo is an resale or an e-commerce platform which you can start your own dropshipping here. You can start dropshipping here and add your own commissions to the products you promote. Yes, they allow you to add your own personal commissions. You can add 1,000, 15,000, any amount you wish to add to the products you are promoting to make more money on this app here. So now, how do you make money on this app? Before you can make money on this app, you have to choose a product to promote, a product to sell. So you're going to find one product here and you're going to sell this product. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this skincare. Yes, most people are more interested in this skincares and things. So we are going to promote one skincare product and you are going to make sales through this product. And I'm going to show you 3 different platforms that you can make more money on, selling or reselling this product on. Yes, I'm going to show you one that is common and 2 that most people don't usually use. Yes, okay, so over here I'm going to show you which product should I promote. Okay, so I'm going to promote this product. It says facial cleanser, which is 46 cds facial cleanser. So before you promote it, you can promote this, you hit on the share on the okay, so now the product is being opened. It's still loading. Let's wait more, but I'm going to show you this thing before the product finish loading. So when you come here, you're going to see the product description here. This is the product description here that you can use it in your sales. And you're going to see the disclaimer also here, and make sure that you tell your customers or your targeted audience, the people you are willing to sell this product to, those are your targeted audience. So make sure you tell them the disclaimer about this product. Yes, and one thing about this app is all the products goes with one disclaimer, and I'm going to read this disclaimer to you. The first disclaimer says the products can only be returned if it is not used and is in packed condition. Okay, that's the first disclaimer. And the second one is we aim to show you accurate product information, manufacturers, suppliers, and others, provided what you see here we have not verified it. Okay, and the third disclaimer is due to light shooting and different displays, the size and the color of the item in the picture may differ slightly from physical product. Yes, so you might see it here as shining, as brighting, but it might not appear to be the same as it is seen on this page here. Okay, then let's go and see if this product is finished. I think this product is not in here, that's why it's not loading. Let's look for another product. Yes, So I'm gonna go with this uh this body wash. Let me see if it's available here. Let's see if it's available here. Then I'm gonna show you how you can promote this product and make more money on this app. Yes. I don't know why. I think my internet. I just have to refresh my internet. Guys, I'll be back. Okay. So I have refreshed my internet. Okay, so guys, the product is here. The product is here. So now how do you make money promoting this product? So one, you can download this product images, which is gonna be here. But as for me, I don't do that. But you can also do this. I'm gonna show you how you can. I mean, this is essential to do. Yes. So you can download it. Yes. Okay. So this is our product description here, and it says the brand, the scent, the gender is for females. So basically, you're going to sell this thing for females, the female adult, and recommended shower. It's for bathing. I mean, bathing. So the price here is 230 cedis. So how do we gain commission promoting this product? We're going to click on the share button here. Okay. So once you click on the share button here, you can see that if already giving you an estimated two prices that you can add, or the automatically two prices that you can add to this product here, this 230 cedis here, to earn commission, or you can enter your own profit. So let's say I want to enter my own profit. Let's say 70 cedis. I'm not going with the one here. I'm going to go with 70 cedis. So the total product become 300 cedis. Yes. So once you share this product and you get customer to buy this product, any customer you get to buy this product, anyone that buys this product from you at 300 cedis, you're going to make 70 cedis free of charge. The process is simple. How do we make money? How do we make this 70 cedis here? So one, we're going to share this product. The first one I'm going to show you, the first strategy I'm going to show you is to share this product on your WhatsApp status or your WhatsApp groups. Yes. Or you can create a business account and be sharing this product often there. And I don't do this often. I just do it I just share this product. I just share products online here on this platform here occasionally. So I'm not making any sales, but at least I'm making at least 500 to 1,000 every month, which is okay with me. So once you get here, you can either copy the product address, or you can go straight with the WhatsApp, which I'm going to go straight with the WhatsApp here. Okay. So once you click on the product here, it's going to take you to WhatsApp, and you can share it in the group. As you can see, I have a group here called Great Standard. I have one here called Gangara Betting Zone. That's how the only groups I'm in. And I can promote this product in this group because what they are doing in this group doesn't go in line with the product I'm promoting. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my start. Okay, and click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, you're going to see these two options here. The first one says for cash on delivery in selected locations, send your name, phone number, and location. So for this first one, you can request for details, payment details, and information from your buyer, and you're going to give that information. You're going to place an order on Tendo app with that information so that your buyer can get the product. Or you can go with my favorite, the second one, which you will let the buyer do it him or herself. Just gonna tap on this link and put in his or her details, and Tendo is gonna render everything for you, and they are going to deliver the product to that person, and you're going to get your commission very fast and simple. So I'm gonna delete this one here. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, here. I'm gonna delete all this from here, and I'm gonna leave the option two. Okay. So it says how to order. Then I'm gonna delete the option two from here. I'm gonna start from here to delete this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the make payment. Now use my payment link below. So this is the product. I'm selling the product at 300 cedis, and this is the link that the person is gonna use to fill in his or her details and buys the product. Okay, so you just have to hit on enter. Then your product is being pasted on your WhatsApp status. Now the second place we are going to sell this product is Facebook. Yes, when I say Facebook, Facebook is the most platform. Sorry, the best platform you can sell this product on very fast, and you can make more money whilst you are asleep. As you can see, I have one item listed here. The changes. Now, if I come to market and I come to sell here, as you can see, I have one active listing. I've posted a product here which I'm selling. Now, how do we sell on Facebook? Once you go to the market, you're going to see this thing here, sell for you, local and more. So we're just going to click on sell. Then you're going to click our listing. Okay, then you're going to one item. If you are selling multiple items, you're going to be multiple items. But here in the case, you're selling one item. So I click on one item, and you can either put in here a video showing the product, or you can just add images here. But sorry, our image didn't download, so I'm gonna just use a random image here. A random image to let me use this dog. Okay, a random image to sell this product. Okay, so now we are going to put in your title. Our title is what do you call this product? It's hydrating bodies. Hydrating body wash. So I'm just gonna put in just body wash because the other name is kind of. And I'm going to put in the price here, 300 cedis. Yes, and guys, my instead of 300 cedis here, you are seeing $300, which is not anything. I just changed my location. That's why the currency is changed here. But if your location is still in Ghana, it's gonna be in cities. Okay, so don't worry. I'm gonna put in new. Okay, new here. The item is new, or you can put in use like new, but this item is new here. And you're going to put in the product description here, which I didn't copy, but it's okay. I can edit it later. I can edit this post later and do everything well. I'm just showing you how you can make money with this Tendo app. Then you're going to click on publish. So now, as you can see here, publishing. I've already posted one. I've made one listing here which is active. Okay, so now this one too is active. So once I get a customer who wants to buy this product, which I'm gonna show you in my messenger how you can do this. Okay, so let's just say this customer wants to buy. Let me look for a different person. Let's say this customer wants to buy your product, so you chatted with this guy and he or she is ready to make payment. Now we are going to go into our Tendo app, and I'm going to click on the share, and you're going to click on copy. Yes, I'm going to paste the link in here, just like we did the first one. I'm going to delete the first option, or you can either leave it. For this one, let's leave this one here. Then you're going to send it to that person. So the person is going to choose between these options, and when he chooses the option one, you're going to collect his or her details and give to Tendo, and Tendo is going to do everything for you. Or when he or she chooses the option 2, he's going to place an order and make payment, and Tendo is going to deliver the product for that person, and you're going to receive your commission. As simple as that. And the third place I'm going to show you is Gigi. Yes, Gigi online or Gigi Ghana. Yes, so you're going to open this product, and I've already logged out, and I can still log in. So once you come here, let me just log in and show you how you can. Yes, so once as you can see, you have post ad here. I don't have the app. I used to have the app, but I have deleted it. So once you come here, you can go to the post ad. Then you're going to select your category, and our category was in health and beauty, I think. Then you're going to get skincare. Yes. Then I want to add product photos. I want to link your YouTube video if you have YouTube video, or you can link someone's YouTube video to it. You're going to select your location, your title, your gender, the type, the brand, and you're going to put in your description here. You're going to put in your description here and your price, then your phone number and your name, then your delivery options. Then if you want to go with the ask, you can promote with the ads, or you can go with a free or no promo. I usually use the no promo, and I still even get sales on this app because day in day out people are on this app trying to buy new things. So you can use this app or this website to also promote your products from the Tendo store and make more money. So this is where we end, and this is how you make more money online free whilst you are asleep. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and like, share, and comment, and follow for more. And you can also join my Telegram link, which I'm going to put it in the description below. And I'm gonna put the Tendo app, Tendo app too in the description below, so that you can also create an app, create an account and start making money online. Thank you.